Hey you guys, it's your girl Blue and welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally leaving Bangkok, or Thailand in general. I've been here for now exactly 30 days, a whole month, and I'm going to Vietnam next. So right now I am eating. I just got some Mexican food delivered to the hotel, but I am currently packing all of my things because my flight leaves at I think 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. I don't know, whatever 1800 is. That's when my flight is leaving. So I'm going to try to get to the airport by 4 p.m., which is in the next like hour and some change. Bangkok has been amazing, the whole Thailand alone, but I think Bangkok these last few days, these 2 weeks, has been amazing. I've been doing nothing but partying, eating out, meeting people, just having the time of my life. This last little 2 weeks has me like not really wanting to leave, but I have a goal. I have to go hit the other countries and definitely explore other places. But I'm definitely going to come back here because there's a lot of things that I did not do on purpose, so that I can come back here and enjoy those things at a different time, at a later date. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my journey of me leaving Bangkok and flying to Vietnam. And I'm staying in Hanoi first, so that's what I'm flying into, Hanoi. For the Vietnam trip, my goal is to work my way up north, which is Hanoi, and kind of go like Ha Long Bay, go to Sapa, which is further north, maybe hit like this one waterfall, which is even further north, kind of like by the Chinese border, and then work my way down south, and then leave that country. So I'm not sure how long I'm going to be in Vietnam. I have no specific dates or plans. I'm just going to go with the flow, and we'll see how this goes. I don't know if I'll be there for 2 weeks, a month. You know what? But I think my visa is only for 30 days, so I probably can only stay for a month. But well, I only can stay for a month, not probably. So yeah, I'm not sure how long I'll be. It's based on the vibes, based on how things go. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me going through Vietnam. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We gone for a year, only go like months. Life move fast, we don't move. So I just exchanged my money for I changed my Thai baht to Vietnamese dong, and I got some USD because she didn't have enough Vietnamese money to cover the last $4 that I had, which is fine. So now I have to go through, I guess, security or immigration, all of that. And this airport is so huge and beautiful. It is so huge. Let's see national departure.
An toàn trên máy bay, quý khách vui lòng tập trung chú ý và không sử dụng các thiết bị điện tử cầm tay, tai nghe. Ladies and gentlemen, for safety reasons, we will now begin.
She fought a flight, nigga, when it's she fought a flight, man, on way out of here. She fought a flight, nigga, can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Burger 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Making no mud, I made out of the.
Hey you guys, so I finally made it to Hanoi, Vietnam, and I am blown away. The city is beautiful. Of course it's at night, but it's like 70 degrees here, so it feels amazing from coming from like 90 to 100 degree weather. But I think that's just for today. But look at this room. Y'all gotta see the room. So let's do a room tour. Starting off, when you walk in the door, they have fresh slippers, 2 robes, nice little area for luggage, hanging things, and a safe. Everything smells so new and clean. But look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh. And it's like a touch light up. I don't know how to explain it. The mirror lights up when you touch the button. But everything is so nice and clean and pretty and white and marble. And then you got this view of the room, but you can pull down. You can pull down the shade for like privacy. I don't want to pull it down. When you come out, of course, my things You got like a little sitting area, a full-size mirror, these fake plants. It's just so beautiful and clean. You have another mirror right here that's also, you can kind of touch it to cut it on and off. Or you can use your hand to kind of cut it on and off. Okay, there we go. And this is the room area, the bed and stuff. Y'all, this place is nice. Oh my gosh. The TV is loud. This place is so nice. And then when you look out here, I'm not really in the Old Town area, but I am kind of still in the city. So you got like the little city view here, and I'm on like this main road with a lot of other hotels. We got the JW Marriott and some restaurants. So since it's like, I believe like 9, almost 10 o'clock, I'm thinking, do I want to go out and get some food from one of these little restaurants that are still open, or do I want to just order something on Grab? I'm not sure, but y'all, I love this hotel, and I'm only here for 4 nights. I kind of want to extend for like an extra day or so just to sit here and soak this all in, because I have excursions booked back to back for here. I don't know. This place is so pretty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hanoi, you already won me with the hotel. So you're going to see what the city has to offer. I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog because I don't know. I don't have really nothing else to do. I'm going to get up in the morning and eat breakfast though, because they do offer breakfast. So I'm going to close out this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching my adventures of me traveling from Bangkok, Thailand to Hanoi, Vietnam. And I hope you guys enjoyed all of the Vietnam vlogs I have to come.